So this is the Sharp VZ-2500. There are loads, hundreds of videos of this on YouTube. This is my one, and I'm going to improve the turntable specification. The wow and flutter on this machine is 0.1%, and putting that into a reasonable higher end turntable with direct drive, you're looking at something like a 0.043%. I think a professional tape recorder, reel-to-reel, is like 0.02 or something like that. Now the 3000 system that Sharp made, the VZ-3000, has a much better wow and flutter performance, and mainly the reason is because the platter that drives the disc round is weighted. In the 2500, this is a bit that grips the record label, and here's one removed. This is from a scrap 2000 turntable boombox. And if you look, there was glue here, because this is an actual platter from a 3000 series, which has a much better wow and flutter rating. And the reason is because this is exactly what it looks like at the moment in this machine. It's just a plastic platter, a reasonably heavy-ish platter, but it's just plastic. But what is screwed to the inside, and what I'm going to do with this now, is this weight and these screws. Now this weighs in, let's just put it on the scales, at nearly a kilo, nearly a kilogram. It's about 700 and something odd grams, I think. Yeah, 750 grams. So you add the screws on there as well. Yeah, 760 grams. So that's the extra weight you'll be adding to the platter. This was screwed onto here because I said this is an actual platter from a 3000 with now this metal ring removed. In this 2000, it's exactly the same with these holes. So what I'm going to do is take the platter out of my 2500 and screw that in, because the machine that this was from was a scrap machine. It was just too far gone, too badly broken. So, and it was a 3000 turntable, which has the better wow and flutter. So adding that bit of mass to this will dramatically improve the wow and flutter. I don't know what the reading will be because I don't have a wow and flutter machine, but this is detectable. You can detect 0.1 wow and flutter. It is detectable. A larger, echoier room, the more pronounced it is, because you have the decay of the. It's basically more detectable on a sustained note, and if that sustained note is then reverberating, it just makes the effect worse. There's lots of science behind wow and flutter and how it changes the way things sound. But in this experiment, I'm going to do an improvement to this design. The reason they didn't put the weighted ring inside this machine is purely because it would have added basically another kilogram to the weight of this machine. And as they were advertising this as a portable machine, that's another kilogram you would be adding to the whole weight of the unit. So I'm going to just change the ring over and see how it fares.